Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today I'm going to share with you a little full haul. Not a big one, just a tiny one. So this is the stuff that we got today. We have a pack of ciabatta bread, and this is $4.48. We have the Folgers Classic, the big container, and this was $12.99. This lasts me for a long time. And then we have the creamer. My husband liked this cream, and it was $9.99. And we have a pack of bacon, a three pack. This was $12.47. And a coffee mate cream, which was $5.99. And a pack of eggs. I think it was $6.99. This is an 18 count. And yeah, guys. And I also have some package of lamb chops, 5 packages of lamb chops, which they're different prices, and a big pack of steak. So yeah, guys, this is what I want to share with you guys today. Just a tiny little short food grocery haul. And this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Livings, and Debbie Bubbles. I will leave their channel link in my description box below so you guys can go and check them out. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.